welcome to another Exchange 2019 video. In this video we're going to continue with our Azure lab, which we did in the previous one, creating a virtual machine in Azure. I've logged into the machine that I created. Now I've already preempted the add roles and features step already, but if you want to know how to do it, you would click add roles and features. You're presented with a wizard, click next. We're choosing role based, click next. We'd select the server, next, and then we'd select Active Directory Domain Services, and we would click next. It will ask us about DNS. We'd click next, and then you would click install. Once it's installed, you'll be presented with an option that says promote the server to domain control on the final screen if you added roles and features. In this example, we're going to add a new forest, and we're going to call it testlab.local, and we're going to click next. Now, because I don't have any 2016 servers or 2012 or 2012, I'm going to keep the forest and domain functional level on 2016, and I'm going to put in a recovery password and click next. Now DNS, it's already installed, and the NetBIOS name will come up shortly. Once it does its thinking, we call it test lab. That's the NetBIOS name, so if I ping test lab, I should get the IP address of this machine. I'm not going to change the paths here because it's just a lab, but in production I normally change the paths to a different drive. You can review all your settings, and then you can click next. And just wait for it to verify. Depending on how big your environment is or how much resources assigned to the machine, it might take a bit longer, and if you don't have a static IP assigned, it will also come up and tell you, see here, this computer has at least one that doesn't have a static IP. Now I'm not too concerned because this is a lab, but best practice you would actually go and assign the IP. And now we'll click install. Now what this does is it actually goes and makes this server a domain controller, and then it will install DNS, configure it, and then the machine will reboot. And once it reboots, you can't log in with the local account anymore. You would log in with the account that you created in Azure, but on the domain. So as you can see, it's going through the partitions, creating objects. Now, depending on how big your environment is, if this wasn't a lab and you got like 40, 50, 60,000 objects, this could take quite a while to do. And then you just have to wait for it to finish, and obviously, sync up. As you can see, I've got a warning now. I can click close, and you can just wait, and after a couple of minutes the machine will be back online again, and we can proceed with part 3 of the installation. Thank you for watching.